Suar Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
General Secretary Jangka All Meghalaya Master Role Progressive Workers Union. Badairu Vice Chairman Jangka JAC Uba Nazorius K Lanong ulai kublai ya Sorkar Jala bakala pelat ya Pisa Jongki Nongtre Master Role Jangka PWD Department bat ki Kirmen baka Sorkar kan saplan no shen saya Pisa Jongki Nongtre ka PHE Department. Ula pente berubah ya jialang kabala temu ban pelong menta ubenai ha politeknik la pensangin oswa bat onsa pelong ha ubenai ubanwan.
Nga day iba Nazarius K Lanong General Secretary Jangka All Meghalaya Progressive Workers Union bat nga day ru Vice Chairman Jangka JAC lengkong nga sngo ban ai ka jing songo yo blai tai kanra bala ri lada la sma square yangi kumni kumbang hilong bat ba nilayo ya kanikala ba ngi don lang hagring si kapamenta yang jonga ngakwa ban ai kublai ya pi ki press ki media ki balaya don rengkat lang ban ngi nakapor sakapor ban yarap lem ban pen bana ban pen snow ki ba mangi ngi don kam kum ki masterur te Shibentaro nga snow ban ai kajing kublai ya CM jongi Konrad ke sangma wadairu finance ya kaba menin kasngi ulade pelait ya ka tulop jong ki mastro na ka PWD department road but building te haoi nakaliang ka PHE kimpat yo handrengi smuto bangin sayo hi hakini kisngi te nakatakadaw ngisngo ban ai ka jingburom bat ka jingiro ya UCM ya Commissioner Secretary ya Chief Engineer ya ki staff ro ki balala sitom ban penyo yang ni ka benong kachongi te kumba men hakani ka arpo atarik jong menta bunai bahnreu ha ka jingalang ka bangila pelong ha khasi dorbar hall ha ka ba ngila form ya ka Shillong City Unit kum ka senat trekam jong ka All Meghalaya ha ka tei ka sngi ngila penbana ru ba ngin sadon ka general meeting jong ka JEC ha ka arpinyo tarik jong mentau benai bahnreu ha polytechnic hall Henry na kidaw kiba ngimpat la ban penbit penbiang ki don kam jongi baronra ha ka tei ka general meeting te ngila snow bangin pensangi ano shwa ya kani ka general meeting ban ngin sa pentipat dakumway ondang ngila yo ban penbit penbiang ban ngingai skamro bangila ban khot kham klohi hauni hu banai banwan ubanai bahnyo te tangkine hi kiba nakaliang jungi ngi kwa ban ai bat syo ngi khimi lenti ba kumba ka sarkar kala priang yaki mat jingdawa jongi bani khimi lenti ro ba hauni ubnai banwan ngin sayo ano ro ban priang ya ka area jongi bat kumju ro ba nado uni ubnai banwan ngi scam ro ba ka tulop jongi ngin sayo biangpor manla ubnai haswa ka shiphautari te kani kadai ka ba nakaliang jungi ngi khimi lenti bat ngi scam ro ba ka sarkar ka priang ya ka jing khimi lenti jongi te tangkine kinten khublai shibon khublai shahajaru.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our right, our future.